Markets. I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist. It is Friday, December 11th. Here we talked about the grain markets, the agricultural markets. We had a crop production report on Wednesday, and they did lower corn exports by 50 million bushels. It wasn't that big of a deal, but some traders thought that would come later in some of these later crop reports. So we talked about that a week ago, and that was one of the developments Wednesday on the crop report. Price discovery is always a good indicator. See what the markets do after the report comes out, the day after. We're lower here this morning. Soybeans and corn were both higher here about an hour, hour and a half ago, so we are trading lower as we speak. Following crude oil, corn and soybeans are relatively expensive in here. A lot of times these markets do trend together, crude oil, corn, soybeans. So crude is down today, another new contract low. So in terms of crude oil, certainly corn and soybeans can trade lower in that tandem. Argentina, we got the new president there starting, and certainly Argentina is the biggest exporter of soybean meal and soybean oil in the world today. And certainly Argentina, they have the Pampas grain area. They have a very educated workforce, a gigantic shale deposit, similar to our great country here, North Dakota and Texas. And so in a technology education, technology people ready to go to work. So Macri, the new president in Argentina, he needs some points on the board to keep this confidence moving forward. The climatologist at Iowa State University says we're in a new weather cycle, so that is certainly a catalyst going forward, what can move these markets. We got a big rain event this weekend, next week in center west Brazil. If it doesn't rain next week in these areas of Brazil, soybeans will trade higher. So, and just wrapping this up, nobody anywhere is giving any reference to a bottom in the commodity markets here. So what a great time to take a look at that. Have an excellent weekend. Thank you. Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.